Okay. So now let's prove trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees and 30 degrees geometrically. Here it is an equilateral triangle. Angles are marked 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Then this perpendicular is drawn from the vertex angle, which is dividing or bisecting this BC and bisecting this angle as well. So this is 30 degrees, and sides of the triangles I consider 2x, 2x and 2x. Because of this bisector, BD is becoming x, DC is also becoming x. Now let's talk about acute angle 60 degrees. So according to this acute angle, this AD is the perpendicular and BD is the base. In right angle triangle ADB, this is 2x, this is the perpendicular according to this acute angle, and this is x. Now to find out trigonometric ratios, we need value for perpendicular also. So quickly calculate it with the help of Pythagoras theorem, which is going to be equals to AD square is equals to hypotenuse square and minus base square. So 4x square minus x square, it is 3x square. So AD is equals to root 3x. So AD is equals to root 3x. In triangle ADB, sin theta means sin 60 degrees is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is root 3x, hypotenuse is 2x. So it is root 3 by 2. So sin 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. Okay, so sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Now cos 60 degrees, base by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. Base is x, hypotenuse 2x. So this is 1 by 2. So cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. Then tan 60 degrees, perpendicular by base, means root 3x by x. So this is root 3. Now cosec 60, going to be reciprocal of this, 2 by root 3. Sec 60 degrees is nothing but the reciprocal of cos 60 degrees, that is 2 by 1 means 2, and cot 60 degrees is reciprocal of tan 60 degrees, that is 1 by root 3. So like this we can prove trigonometric ratios for 60 degrees geometrically. Hope it's clear. Now see the proof for 30 degrees. So we are considering this acute angle. In reference of this acute angle, BD is going to be the perpendicular and AD is going to be the base. So sin 30 degrees, perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular x, hypotenuse 2x, so means 1 by 2. Then cosec 30 degrees, reciprocal of sin 30 degrees, that is 2 by 1 means 2. Cos 30 degrees, base by hypotenuse, base is root 3x, hypotenuse is 2x, so root 3 by 2. Sec 30 degrees, 2 by root 3, reciprocal of cos 30. Then tan 30 degrees, perpendicular by base, x by root 3x, 1 by root 3. So cot 30 degrees is root 3. So this is the geometrical proof of 30 degrees.